This tutorial is going to show you how to set up and edit a form, create new fields, and delete others. To start with, any page can become a form. We've already given you one form, that's the Contact Us form. I'm going to leave that one alone for now. And we're going to open up the inspectors page, which is just a page at this point. You'll see that I've already added some text. Now let's add a form to this page. Click on the Add Manage Form toolbar and go through the 3 steps. I'm going to make it a basic Contact Us form. The differences between these forms are the default fields that they add. Step 2 is the form management. What are we going to do with this form? We're going to make this an email form, meaning that when someone fills out the form, you'll get an email of the contents. The thank you message shows the information that will be displayed on the page after they fill out the form. And then there's the autoresponder. An autoresponder is an email that gets sent right after the form is filled out to the person that filled out the form. Gives them a nice feeling that the information was received. Then we get the form contents. These are the basic contents of a contact form. You can change the order of these by using these arrow keys. So if you want email to come before company, just click the up arrow. You'll note that now the little gear symbol appears by the page, meaning that it's a form page. If I go back to Edit Page, you may not see the updates until you reload the page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Close it, reload it, and now you'll see the form contents underneath. Now let's go in and add a field. Go back to Add Manage Form. And there are 2 tabs here. One is the Properties tab. That was step 2 that we just completed. It shows you what's going to happen to the form and what the user is going to see. The Items tab describes the items within a form. From the Form toolbar, we can add items. I'm going to insert a multiple line. Even once you've gone this far, you can still pick the different types of inserts that you want to put in your form. Let's call this the item value is the value that's stored in the database if you're using that. We'll give it a value. Item text is text that you can put in the field as a default. In most forms, this is left blank. Other times, you may want to put some text in. And then finally, whether or not the item is required. I'm going to make this a discretionary item and hit Save. You'll see that it automatically puts it at the bottom of the form. Again, if you want to move it, you just hit the up arrow. In this particular case, I don't really need a description, so I'm going to hit the Delete Item icon and delete it. When you're done, save the page and publish it. Now the form is live.